There's a bright red tractor on Springhill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was a very special day at Springhill Farm. Farmer Fee's birthday.
Hi, Matt.
happy birthday! When's the party start?
Not until I find Riff. She's disappeared.
Are you sure she's not asleep in the house?
No, I've already looked. Come on, Tom. Let's find her.
Fee drove Tom to the meadow. And Matt started to make plans.
Fee hasn't got time to arrange a birthday party, so we'll have to do it for her. Right, first job is to make a cake. You all know what to do.